Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Source's classes, and in this video I am solving economics honors major paper. There will be specific topics: microeconomics 1 2023 previous year paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sources himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. So if you want to take classes from our side, this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sources classes. Why? Now we can provide the maximum discount, maximum discount for that course. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav sir. So let's start with question number 1F. What will say this question number F? If the demand of unitary elastic, if demand is unitary elastic, then how will a decline in price affect of total revenue? So how can I solve it? So when demand is utility elastic, then the price of elasticity of demand, that is ED means what? Price of elasticity, price elasticity of demand, price elasticity of demand. So here price elasticity of demand, that is ED, that is equals to what? 1. Okay, now when, then because the demand is here unitary elastic, so the ED, that means the price elasticity of demand, is equals to 1. So this means the percentage change in quantity demand is exactly the quantity demand is exactly equal to the percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity demand is equals to the percentage change in price, but in the opposite direction. So what will be the effect on total revenue? What will be the effect on total revenue here? So in case, so total revenue is calculated as price into quantity. So in this case, unitary elasticity demand, any change in price will result in an equal and opposite percentage change quantity demand, that is leading to no change in total revenue. Okay, so specifically if the price declines, then the quantity demand will increase by the same percentage as the price decrease. Okay, and since the increase in quantity offsets then decrease in price exactly, so the total revenue remains unchanged. Total revenue remains what? Unchanged. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose the price of product drops by suppose price of product drops by 10 percentage, drops by 10 percentage. In case of unitary elastic demand, the quantity demand will increase by 10 percentage, quantity demand. And the revenue before the price change, the revenue before the price change, that means TR is means P into Q. So what will be the total revenue after the price changes? So that means, so the total revenue of the price after the price changes, that means TR equals to P minus 10%. Why? Because the price will be decreased by 10%, and QD into, sorry, QD plus QD plus 10 percentage. Okay, so because the percentage increase in quantity is equals to the percentage decrease in price, so the revenue remains the what? Revenue remains same. Okay, so when demand is unitary elastic, a decline in price will have no effect on total revenue. Okay, that's all about that. If you like this video, share this video to your friends and your family, and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. We will meet you next session. Thank you.